Alright, so you have created your video and you've uploaded it, and if I have approved it, then you will see it on here. You'll also see other classmates' videos on here as well. So now you can add your responses to a couple of classmates' videos. Right now all you see is mine, so how you do that is you select the video.
3, 2, 1. So here I am.
There's my video.
Talking about why the.
Okay, so what you can do is, if you just want to like it, you can just click the heart here. Maybe it's a good idea, so on and so forth. You can click these emojis down at the bottom. But if you actually want to add a response to a particular classmate's, oh, that's a flattering picture of me right there.
The Rocky Mountain.
There we go. So if you want to add a response, there is a video option right there, as you can see. So you would basically just film yourself and then upload your response. So let me just do that really quick. So here is my response to my video that you've already seen. And
here is my response.
Yep. You can go through the whole motions again. Get myself some cool 80s shades. Okay, and Mr. Mac.
3, 2, 1. So here I am talking about why
Okay.
the Rocky Mountains might be a really good travel destination.
So let me get out of that. So then if you
3,
look,
2, 1. So here I am talking about why.
Actually, I would need to approve the response videos. So once I do that, then people would be able to see
3,
that
2, 1. So here I am.
off to the side here, and they can view your response for them. So there you go.